Okay, what we're going to be looking at in this quick video is at plugins and what they actually do on your website. So what plugins are, they're just little bits of software that give you additional functionality across your website. Okay, so if we whiz across back into the back end of our makeup artist Gateshead website, as you come down here, you'll see a little one called plugins. So we can have a look at what plugins are already installed on the website. Okay, so as we come through, each one of these is something, a little bit of software that does extra stuff to your website. Okay, so where we found all the starter templates from, that was a plugin that allows that to happen. This WP Forms Lite, we go onto our contact page. This here is the form, and that's run and works because of this WP Forms Lite. Okay, Jetpack does other features. The image optimizer does have other features. So these all do separate things and good things. So you might think, right, okay, well, once my website's done, I want it to have some social icons on it where people can share my information. So you'd come up to here, add new. And here, it gives you the choice to search plugins. So if we put in there social share, and we'll see what pops up. Okay, there you go. So social media share buttons and social sharing icons, you can put that on. This is the one I like to use when I do it on websites, Sassy Social Share. I find that works really, really well. But you've got all these other ones. Always check out the star ratings, and then you can go in, install it. Once it's installed and activated, it will appear in your menu down here. Once it's in your menu down here, you can then go and do the settings. So just to give you a quick example, I'm not going to do a social share, I might do that in the snagging at the end, but I'm going to add some terms and conditions to my website. Now I can go on here, you can pay for these or you can use a generic one. There we go, WP, auto terms, privacy policy generator, terms and conditions, generate and cookie notice banner. Okay, so we'll click on install. Just give it a moment because it's just uploading to your hosting. And then we click on activate. Now once that's activated, which will only take a few seconds, should hopefully see down here somewhere, setting privacies. No, there it is right in front of me, WP Auto Terms. So we'll click on there and we'll see what it says. No legal pages exist yet. So we're going to go add legal pages. Okay, so we can have, it gives you an upgraded version now. So we want create a privacy policy. Fill in the details. Obviously this will be your business. At this stage, no, they can't. It's just an information one. If we're doing a form, because this is information we're collecting, I'm not going to have postal address on now. Yes, create that. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I wouldn't worry about too much of that. I might come and look at this later on. Publish. That's it. We now have a privacy policy installed under auto terms. Add legal pages, and we'll do the same for terms and conditions. There we go. So now we're going to have publish that, and that's it. So now if we go to our pages, it might appear on here, or I'll get rid of that one. So it's going to be under all legal pages, and there we go. We've got a privacy policy and the terms and conditions already set up. But that was just using that simple plugin. We're going to be using these more and more later on as we add more functionality to the website. But that's a quick introduction to plugins. So again, we'll just go back. If you wish to switch any off, you just click deactivate, and then it will give you the option to actually delete and remove the plugin from your website. If you want to know more of what they do, when you go in the add new, you've got more details, so you can click on and you get more details about what it can actually do, and generally tells you what the free version is and the paid version, so you get a better idea there. Okay, so that's plugins. So I'll be adding these as we go through the training.